In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Twitter or X age verification problem. First thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser or launch your X app, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the profile icon. Now click on this option profile. Now click on the option edit profile. Scroll down. Navigate to the section birth date. Scroll down, click on edit. Update your date of birth and make sure it clearly shows that you meet the minimum age requirement. After saving changes, head back. Now click on the profile icon again. Click on the option settings and privacy. Now tap on your account option. Click on account information. If X requires further verification, you will see a prompt asking you to verify your age. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload a valid government-issued ID along with a selfie to confirm your identity. Also make sure your email address is verified, as an unverified email can sometimes trigger the issue. Once these steps are completed, the age verification pop-up should be removed and your account should work normally. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.